Quick reading for April the 15th to April the 16th, Sagittarius. Your cards are the Queen of Cups, the King of Cups, and the Queen of Wands. Okay, mag-alala, walang third party dito, alright? Kasi dalawang queen eh. Bakit dalawang queen? This is a representation of si person kasi merong nararamdaman sa inyo, no? And that is love, that is appreciation, that is admiration. Probably your person kept on parang bottling the emotion. Hindi siya masyadong machine, hindi siya masyadong expressive. Meron din kayong mga parang ngayon magsasabi siya, no? Through words. Talagang i-verbalize niya yung kanyang nararamdaman. Meron din ditong laying down the cards na magkakaroon tayo ng agreement for the both of us to have understanding. There are changes or para magiging balance na rin, no? Yung actions and words ni person. So, mafe-feel natin that we are valued, love, lalo na kung meron tayong separation or challenges. So, ito yung right time para makipag-usap at talagang makikita naman natin yung harmony. This is your quick reading for April the 15th to 16th, Sagittarius.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.